Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to query from another spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So the first thing that you have is to have your spreadsheet open and then go to and follow these steps. The first step is to go to the spreadsheet that we want to take data from and then copy its URL until we get here, just by the end of the edit part. Then we will go to our spreadsheet and we will use the command import range. As you can see, while we are writing, it will suggest having this command or line of command. As you can see, it requires first to have the spreadsheet URL and then we will insert the range string. For example, you open parentheses and then you should have your URL between apostrophes or double marks, double quote marks, and have here another double quote mark. Then we will separate them with a comma. So now we can add a range string. But first, make sure that you have your URL between the double quote mark and having the comma in black, so you can make sure that it is separating and the separations work well. Now we will add another double quote mark to add our range string. For example, let's assume that I only want these parts of the table or part of the sheet. So I have to insert this range. To do so, all I have is to paste this range or just write it manually. It doesn't matter. And now we will add the other double mark, quote mark to end separation, and we will end with a parenthesis. Now we will click OK. As you can see, it may be ask you to allow the access for a certain user or just you. All you have is to click on allow access on the pop-up notification little window, and you will click on allow access. It is colored in blue. As you can see, now I have my data imported from only this part from uh, spreadsheet. For example, let's just have our whole table like that. Let's do the same thing, import uh, import import range. We will add no the URL again until edit. We do like that. Double quote mark as usual. Another double quote mark. We separate with apostrophe, double quote mark, and the range from here to the last range. As you can see, this is our range, and I will insert it here. Another double quote mark, apostrophe to end the command, and we will click, and as you can see, those are my data, or this is my data from the other sheet. So this is how you query from another sheet on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.